Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft a mutation spray on Grow a Garden. Just going to walk to the crafting table real quick. Like, look how fast I'm walking. I really don't want to use my teleport for this, so go to the crafting area here and then select whichever one you want to craft. I'm going to select the mutation spray chalk and then select craft. Make sure you have a cleaning spray, cacao, and 200,000 shekels. Select craft here, and then I'm just going to go to the gear item, and then I'm going to find cleaning spray. If you don't have it, just buy it first in like the gears section. Submit item, and then you're just going to harvest obviously your cacao here. Submit item as well, and then start crafting. It takes 12 minutes for this one, so I'm just going to wait for the item. Well, I'm not going to wait now, but once you're done, you're just going to claim it and you'll have your crafted item. And that is how you can craft items on Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.